Thank you, Lord. Tapos na tayo dito. Tupio na lang. Ayan. Ayan, konti na lang. Maraming salamat, iwasan ang maging maliit sa kapwa dahil dumating yung araw na lahat ng hindi magandang ginawa mo ay babalik sa iyo. Yan. Thank you for watching. Salam and good morning. Thank you so much sa akong for my employer here, for my family, for my life, for my dreams, and inshallah for good. Lord, thank you. Today is my 3 years and 4 days stay here in Shika Awatib, Saud Al Sabah house. Because I was arrived here in Kuwait last December 1, 2021. So now it's my 3 years and 4 days. So thank you so much for my help. And hanggang dito na lang kasi ako po'y magtatapos nitong pagligpit ng hose na ginagamit natin. Maraming thank you sa akong employer dito, sa aking mga kasamahan dito. Thank you, Lord, Ministry of Health. Thank you so much, Doktora, Attorney, lahat po. Thank you po sa inyong lahat, lalo na po sa aking principal sponsor, no other than Shika Awatib Yusuf Saud Al Sabah. Thank you po, Shika, for everything. I am working only here. So it's my duty as a leader to help clean the rooftop and outside of the house. Thank you so much.